Did you know there's an easy way to make commercial quality molds and components? The FORMART S brings commercial quality vacuum forming right to your desktop. Its built-in industrial 80-watt vacuum can provide an incredible 90 kPa of suction, while its powerful carbon fiber quartz element offers industrial strength heating that's fast and precise. Intricate molds? Not a problem. With the FORMART S's unique preheating program, all you need to do is select the material, and you're ready to go in 3 minutes or less. The FORMART S boasts uniform heating performance, which significantly improves molding quality. Designed for maximum ease of use, even for total beginners, the FORMART S has a database with 17 different types of materials, so sourcing additional plastic sheets is a breeze. With its patented dual lock tray, it's the world's only vacuum forming machine certified for household appliance safety. From dessert molds, decorative candles, to specialty gift crafts, intricate architect's models, or distinctive product packaging. For creative people, this vacuum former opens up endless possibilities. The FORMART S. Form your ideas. Unleash your creative side.